वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Hello everyone, Happy Independence Day. Today, me and my friends are presenting for you about the states of India. So, let's go to the video.
I am Libin Besai talking about the state of Andhra Pradesh, the capital of Andhra Pradesh 2021. It is only state with three capitals proposed. The largest city, Visakhapatnam, be the executive capital, while Amaravati and Karnal are legislative and judicial capital respectively. Andhra Pradesh is also known as the rice bowl of India for being a major producer of rice in India. Its official language of Telugu. Thank you.
Today I am standing in front of you to say about Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is an Indian state in the northeast. It was formed in the northeast border agency region. It became a state on 20 February 1987. Its borders are Assam and Nagaland in the south. And the state bird is the great hornbill, and the state animal is rare. Thank you.
I am Arya. I am speaking in few words of state in Assam. Assam is situated in the northeast of India, in the largest northeastern state in terms of population, but second in terms of area. Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram and Manipur in the east, Meghalaya, Tripura and Bangladesh to the south, and West Bengal to the west. Assam has a geographical area of 75,529 square kilometers and a total population of around 25 millions. It's famous for its tea gardens, natural beauty, and reserves, temples, and river of Brahmaputra. Assam has a land of natural beauty, of cultural richness. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Sridhanya GS. Today I am going to say about a few sentences of state Bihar. Bihar is situated in the northeast part of India. It is the third largest state in India. Patna is the capital of Bihar. It was built by Ajatashatru. Patna was earlier known as Patliputra. There are 30 districts in Bihar. Hindi is the official language. Jat Jatin is the most popular folk dance. Litti Chokha was the main food of Bihar. Dhoti kurta for men and sari for women is the traditional dress of Bihari people. The state is known as the cultural beauty and vast history. The festival which is celebrated on a vast level in Bihar is Chhat Puja.
Hi friends, I am Hridya Hari. I am standing before you to speak some words about Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the 9th largest state in India. Chhattisgarh is a heavily forested state in central India known for its temples and waterfalls. Near the capital, Raipur, the town of Sarpur on the Mehendi river is home to the red brick Lakshmana temple, decorated with carvings from Indian mythology. In the south, the city of Jagdalpur hosts the Sanjay market, and also it is the state of East Central India. It is bounded by the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh and Jharkhand to the north and northeast, Odisha to the east, Telangana to the south, and Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh to the west. Thank you.
I am Al-Sabik and speak a few lines about state Goa. Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India. The capital of Goa is Panaji. The population here about 15 lakh. Goa is the fourth smallest state in India in terms of population. This state was established 13th May 1987. It was one famous tourist destination of India. The beach here is quite beautiful and attractive. Some of famous beaches in Goa are Miramar Beach, Manvi Beach and Kalangut Beach. Mostly Marathi and Konkani are the language are spoken in Goa. Goa's famous dishes are fish curry, prawn curry and rachado curry. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hello friends, today I am here to speak about Gujarat. Gujarat is the fifth largest state of India. Its capital is Gandhinagar. It is formed on 1st May 1960. Gujarat is bordered by Rajasthan to the northeast, Dagra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu to the south, Maharashtra to the southeast, Madhya Pradesh to the east and the Arabian Sea and the Pakistani province of Sindh to the west. Gujarat draws its name from the Gurjara who ruled the area during the 8th and 9th century CE. Khangra Choli or Chania Choli is the traditional dress of Gujarat. Its language is Gujarati. Thank you.
My name is Shivanjay Shibu, Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh. Snow-covered mountains are the added beauty of the state. Growing crops like rice, maize, and fruits like apple, cherry, plums, cultivated and peaches. Himachal Pradesh language Hindi, Padi, Punjabi, and Kinwara. Himachal Pradesh festival Dasara and Diwali. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Ahdia Fatima. I have come here today to talk a few things about Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is the northernmost state of India. The state is named after its two most popular regions in the state, Jammu region and Kashmir region. The other district region of the state include Gilgit, Baltistan and Skardu. Jammu is the winter capital of the state, whereas Srinagar is summer capital. Urdu written in Persian script is the official language of Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmiri willow is very popular wood from Kashmir, used for making high quality cricket bat. The people of Jammu and Kashmir mainly depend on farming and agriculture. The Jhelum, Indus, Tavi, Ravi and Chenab are the major rivers flowing through state. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone. Today I am going to speak in a few words about Jharkhand. Jharkhand means a land of forest in eastern India. The state shares its border with the state of Bihar to the north, Uttar Pradesh to the northwest, Chhattisgarh to the west, Odisha to the south and West Bengal to the east. The state was formed in 2000, the territory that had been provisionally been a part of Bihar. Hindi is the official language of the state. It has an area of 79,710 square kilometers. It is the 15th largest state and area's 14th largest state by population. The city's Ranchi is the capital and Danka is the sub-capital. The state was known for its waterfalls, hills and holy place. It presents Jharkhand 5 divisions and 24 districts. Jai Hind. Thank you.
I am Devika Yadav. I am speaking a few words of Karnataka. It is its largest Indian state by area with 61,130,704 inhabitants at the 2011 census. Karnataka is the 8th largest state by population comprising 31 districts. Kannada, one of the classical language of India, is the most widely spoken and official language of state. The state can be divided into 4 physiographic languages: Northern Karnataka Plateau, the Southern Karnataka Plateau, and Coastal Karnataka region. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Abhishek Ji. I am speak some words about Kerala. One of the most beautiful states in country is Kerala. It was formed on 1st November 1956. Kerala is also known as God's own country. People of Kerala speak Malayalam and it is the official language of the state. Onam is the traditional festival of Kerala. Kerala is also known as the land of coconut trees. You can see coconut trees everywhere in the state. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Kevin. Today I say about Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western and central peninsular region in India. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Now, Maharashtra's chief minister is Uddhav Thackeray. Maharashtra is the second most populous state in India.
Today I am going to say about Manipur. Manipur is a state of India located in the northeastern part of the country. It is bordered by the Indian state of Nagaland to the north, Assam to the west, Mizoram to the southwest and by Myanmar to the south and east. Like other northeastern states, it is largely isolated from the rest of India. The name Manipur means land of gems. The state capital is Imphal, located in the center of the state. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Happy Independence Day. I am Devika Manoj. I am coming from Nagaland. I am here to talk about Nagaland. Nagaland, state of India, lying in the hills and mountains of the northeastern part of the country. It is one of the smallest states of India. Nagaland became the 60th state of India on 1 December 1963. The state capital is Kohima, located in the southern part of Nagaland. Weaving is a traditional art handed down through generation in Nagaland. Main occupation is agriculture. They grow rice, maize, orange, etc. Nagas wear beautifully designed colorful shalas. Thank you.
Hi friends, I have come today to share a few things about the state of Punjab. Punjab is a state in northern western India. The state is bordered by the Indian Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir to the northern, Chandigarh the east, the Indian states of Himachal Pradesh to the north and northeast, Haryana to the south and southeast and Rajasthan to the southwest. It covers an area of 50,362 square kilometers. Punjab is the 16th largest state by population and 20th largest by area. Punjabi written in Gurmukhi script is the most widely spoken and official language of the state. The first traces of human habitation in India were found in the Punjab region. The state of Punjab is divided into 5 administrative divisions and 22 districts. Thank you.
I am Arjun Reddy. Today I am going to say about Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a state located in North India. It is largest state. The state covered an area of 3,42,239 square centimeter. Rajasthan is located on northwest side of India. Jaipur is the largest city and the capital of Rajasthan. There are 33 districts in Rajasthan. Hindi is an official language of Rajasthan. It is an land of wonderful palace, fort and museum festivals.
Friends, I am Surya. Today I am speaking about state Sikkim. Sikkim is located in the eastern part of the country in the eastern Himalaya. It is one of the smallest states in India. Sikkim culture. Sikkim is a beautiful land of manifold tribes and races of people living together. All the diverse tribes and communities have the unique features in addition to the particular dance forms, festivals, language, culture and craft form. Sikkim language. Nepali is the primary language of Sikkim. English is also spoken in Sikkim. Food of Sikkim. Sikkim food mainly comprises noodle, tomato acha pickle, traditional cottage cheese, fermented rice product and some other fermented dishes owing to its
I am Abhijit. I speak a few lines about state Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the state in the southern India which lies in the southernmost part of Indian subcontinent. It is also known as Madras state. Tamil Nadu is the 10th largest state by area and the 6th largest by population. Tamil Nadu was formed in 1956 after the reorganization of state on a language basis. Tamil Nadu famous dishes Murilai, Roast, Sambar, etc. Its official language is Tamil, which is one of the longest surviving classical languages in the world. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Lakshmi DS. State of Telangana in India. Telangana is state in southern India, in the capital of Hyderabad. The Charminar is a 6th century mosque with 4 arches separating 4 towering minsters. Telangana dressing. Women generally wears sari, chudidars and lengavani. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhara Rao. Telangana food. Telangana food is non-vegetarian. Happy Independence Day.
My name is Archa. I speak in Uttar Pradesh. It was created on 1 April 1937 as the United Province of Agra and had during British rules as was remade Uttar Pradesh. In 1950 give it the Uttar Pradesh is a state in North India. It was 200 million inhabited. It is the most popular in India as well as the most popular country subdivision in the world.
Hello friends, I am going to tell a few words about West Bengal. West Bengal is a state in East India and it is located between Himalayas and Bay of Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. It is India's fourth most populous state. West Bengal includes the Darjeeling Himalayan hill region, the Ganges Delta, the Raha region and the coastal Sundarbans. Thank you.